back to the Zeeelle YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 of my top hairstyles that I wear to the gym on a regular basis. All these hairstyles are simple hairstyles that don't take long to do at all. They're all kind of similar, they're just all my 3 staples that I regularly wear to the gym. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and make sure you comment down below which one of these hairstyles is your favourite. The first hairstyle that I'm going to be doing is one of my new favourites. So what you'll need is just like a clip. So I'm first just going to tie back my hair in just a normal ponytail. And I'm just going to pull some bits out at the side. You can make this as messy as you want. I am just going to twist the ponytail like so. And then I'm literally just going to like twirl it round like a bun basically. Grab the clip. So yeah, this is my first hairstyle which I'm showing you guys. So it's just a claw clip, basically a low bun, and you can pull out some more bits to make it more messy. Love this hairstyle. It kind of just makes a low bun look a bit more fancy basically. My second go-to hairstyle, and this is probably a hairstyle I wear all the time. It's really basic but it's just effective, and I just think it's a bit better than normal ponytail. First I'm just going to like do a middle parting like so. I'm just going to grab 2 quite like big pieces of hair and put them forward. I'm going to take a scrunchie. What I'm going to do is literally just tie a ponytail. Yeah, that is my next go-to hairstyle. I'd say this is the one that I wear the most, and even to give it a bit more like volume, you can just brush the back of your ponytail. The last hairstyle which I'm going to be doing is a high messy bun. So they're all kind of very simple and basic hairstyles because, you know, when you go to the gym you just want to do something that looks good but doesn't take a lot of time. Firstly, I am just going to do a high ponytail. Now I am going to grab a lot of pieces out just to make it quite messy. Kind of like twist it and just wrap it around like you would a normal bun, if you guys do that. I'm going to grab my scrunchie and wrap it around probably twice. And then yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like keep kind of poking it out, if that's the word. And that's pretty much it. I really like this one as well. It's quite nice, just something a bit different. Let me know down below if you have any hairstyles that are like your go-to gym hairstyles as well. Please like and subscribe and comment down below your favourite. Thank you for watching the Zeeelle YouTube channel. Bye guys!